Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we will be discussing about recently released Global Risk Report 2021. So the World Economic Forum recently released the 16th edition of the Global Risk Report 2021. The report was released based on the Global Risk Perception Survey undertaken by more than 650 members of the World Economic Forum. So now let's discuss that what are the key findings of the report. So the report has basically divided the risk according to the time period. So according to the report, the following will be the short-term risk that would be covering from 0 to 2 years. So these would be infectious diseases, extreme weather events, livelihood diseases. Coming to the medium-term risk, that will be followed by 3 to 5 years. So in this category, they have included IT infrastructure breakdown, asset bubble burst, price instability. And the third category is the long-term risk that would be included from 5 to 10 years, and that comprises of state collapse, weapons of mass destruction, and biodiversity losses. Now, the top risks identified by the report are as follows. So according to the report, the top 3 risks by livelihood that are to be happen in the next 10 years are climate action failure, extreme weather, and human environmental damage. Coming to the top 3 risks by impact are climate action failures, infectious diseases, and weapons of mass destruction. In 2020, the Global Risk Report ranked infectious diseases on 10th position in the list of most critical threats. And though the carbon emissions have declined due to COVID-19 pandemic related lockdown, but they are expected to increase when the economic recovery begins. Now, let's discuss about the report. So the report was released before the upcoming Davos Agenda Summit of World Economic Forum, and this year in 2021, the World Economic Forum is to launch the Great Reset Initiative alongside Davos Agenda Summit. So the main aim of the report is to prepare the government and other international communities during the time of crisis. Now the suggestions that are made by the report are as following to the global communities to draw lessons from the responses to COVID-19. Firstly, to formulate analytical frameworks. Secondly, to build trust through clear and consistent communication. And thirdly, to create new forms of partnerships. Earlier, in October 2020, the World Economic Forum released the Future of Jobs Report 2020, and according to the report, the COVID-19 will disrupt more than 85 million jobs by the year 2025.